The first step in setting up Ethernet on your docking station is making the physical connection. Connect an Ethernet cable from your router or network switch directly to the Ethernet port on your docking station. Next, connect your docking station to your laptop or computer. You can use a USB-C, Thunderbolt, or USB-A cable, depending on what ports are available on your devices. After making the physical connections, you need to install the necessary drivers for optimal performance. These manufacturer-specific drivers can be downloaded from the manufacturer's website or installed automatically through Windows Update. Finally, configure your network settings to prioritize the Ethernet connection over Wi-Fi. This ensures you get the most stable and fastest internet connection through your docking station. Your docking station Ethernet setup is now complete. You have a stable, high-speed wired connection that will provide reliable internet access for your work and productivity needs. When your docking station's network adapter isn't recognized, the most common cause is outdated or missing drivers. Here's how to resolve this issue. Always download the latest drivers from the manufacturer's website for optimal compatibility. Windows Update can also automatically install appropriate drivers for most docking stations. Network adapter conflicts can cause connectivity issues. You need to disable unused adapters and set proper network priorities to ensure your Ethernet connection takes precedence over Wi-Fi. You can use PowerShell commands to check and modify network interface priorities. This ensures your Ethernet connection through the docking station is always preferred over wireless connections. Power delivery is crucial for optimal network performance. Your docking station needs adequate power rating, typically minimum 65 watts for most laptops, to maintain stable Ethernet connectivity. Understanding USB bandwidth limitations is important. Different USB standards offer varying speeds and capabilities that directly impact your Ethernet performance through the docking station. Modern docking stations with 2.5 gigabit Ethernet ports offer significantly faster network speeds compared to traditional 1 gigabit connections. This provides real-world performance improvements of 150 to 200% in typical office environments. When troubleshooting Ethernet connectivity issues, remember to check drivers first, configure network priorities, ensure adequate power delivery, and consider upgrading to modern 2.5 gigabit Ethernet docking stations for optimal performance.